you ready? I don't know if we're ready, but we're gonna have to be because it's time, because it's a set of 4 Boofetti soup Crocs. Oh my gosh, they're 16 ounces a piece. We love that they're spiced. We love that they've got little cobwebs, little bats all the way around. But these are little chubby belly cauldrons. Tara, I love them already.
Aren't they adorable?
Oh.
Well, they're adorable, but they're also so practical, right? And that's what I love about it. So you can pick up the entire Boofetti assortment in this hour show, and everything complements each other, from the cookie jar to the figural, to the ramekins. If you missed those, look how sweet these are. And then, of course, our little cauldrons. I love having the personal and the individual look at each one. So whether it's a dessert, whether it's a soup, you can now set this at everybody's place setting, and they have their own dish, and they're just so stinking cute. I love these.
Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I mean, it matches your spice, it matches your black, it matches your eggplant, it matches your harvest. I mean, Temp-tations is a family of colors, so if you're looking at them and you're going, oh, I love them, but will they match? Yes. They are. By the way, I noticed this right before the show, and please, Tori, correct me if I'm wrong, I do believe these are customer top rated, if I'm not mistaken. She's gonna double check. But I love the chubby belly. They match the cookie jar. You have the great ramekins on the way to your home. They match those beautifully. Matches the bakeware, or the glassware rather, excuse me, the mini bakers that are coming up. But guess what else? You can use them for so many things. We've got individual little cobblers here. Oh, Tori, thank you. She just said, Tara, yes, these are in fact customer top rated.
Aw, that's so nice to hear. And what I love about it is literally for basically $8, you can have a hand-painted soup crock, 16 ounces in total capacity, hand-painted stoneware that you can put through all the paces. So if you picked up our Dip Dip Hooray, they can all be made hot, they can all be made cold, perfect to, of course, serve in this. If you're making guacamole, if you're doing some of those like super easy snacky things,
right,
those are gonna be perfect. Here's that Dip Dip Hooray, so of course you can include these as well. But I love the fact of customization and personalization, and that's what this is all about. And it's just a fun way to add a little pop of color to your table, super fun.
I'm actually low-key, side note, so proud of myself right now because I just went into the oven and the refrigerator, and look, nothing's burning, nothing fell down, but I've got one ripping hot little cauldron in this hand and one super chilled cauldron in this hand because it's stoneware. It can do all of the above.
That's absolutely right. Our grandmothers used to use stoneware. Their grandmothers used stoneware. What Temp-tations does is brings it to today's lifestyle. We have fun with the patterns. They're all individually hand painted. So when you think about that, no two will ever be alike. And that's the charm of the hand painted detail. I love that you're using our oven gloves. They're also available. They were wildly popular over the weekend, so I just checked the colors and the sizes, but they make it so easy to move in and out of your kitchen, in and out of the oven. They are a must-have for every kitchen.
Exactly. I have now, it's up to 5 sets of these gloves in my house. We keep them for the grill and beyond. They're $19 and change right now, so it's a great one to find. Customer top rated 4 chubby bellies in that 16-ounce size for 3 easy payments of $10.60. I mentioned that it is Temp-tations Fall Days happening